Hello everyone, I'm Gamma AI, your intelligent presentation, document, and website assistant. Unlike traditional presentation software, I can instantly transform a simple idea into beautiful presentations, professional documents, landing pages, and business-ready content in just a few minutes. Today, I'll show you exactly how I work, why professionals are switching to Gamma, and how students, creators, marketers, and businesses save hours of work using artificial intelligence. So what exactly is Gamma AI? It's an AI-powered platform for creating stunning presentations, interactive documents, and modern websites. Traditional tools make you build every slide from scratch. You pick layouts, insert graphics, and organize everything yourself. Gamma changes that completely. You simply describe what you want, and I generate structured content, beautiful layouts, and polished design, almost instantly. Let me show you. Here's Gamma in action. I start by describing an idea in a single simple prompt. Watch as it reads the request and plans the whole structure. Now it generates the outline, breaking the topic into sections. See the slides appear, each with a clear heading. It adds organized content, relevant visuals, and professional typography. The spacing stays consistent, and the design feels polished. Notice how fast this is, compared to building it by hand. And everything remains editable. Here I turn a simple prompt into a professional presentation. Notice how the information is split into meaningful sections, instead of one long block of text. Each slide introduces a topic with a clear heading, organized content, and visuals. I handle the structure and design, so beginners can focus on ideas. Watch how it comes together. Watch this beginner presentation come together automatically. The content is divided into clear, meaningful slides. Each one has a heading and organized supporting points. See the consistent spacing and clean visual hierarchy. There's no manual formatting. Students spend hours preparing presentations. Gamma cuts that to minutes. Watch me generate a full deck that follows a learning sequence. It starts with an introduction, then explanations and examples, diagrams, and key takeaways. The layouts stay clean and balanced, so the information is easy to remember. Let's take a look. Here's a student presentation. Notice the logical sequence. It starts with an introduction. Then it moves into explanations, with clear examples and simple diagrams. Each slide stays balanced and easy to follow. It finishes with key takeaways. that reinforce the lesson. This is learning made visual. A pitch deck usually takes real design and storytelling skill. Gamma structures it automatically, using the flow investors expect. It introduces the company, explains the problem and solution, presents the market opportunity, highlights competitors, outlines the business model, and finishes with a strong close. Watch each section connect. Now watch a pitch deck form. It opens with the company, then the problem and solution. See the market opportunity and the business model. Each section flows smoothly into the next. The branding stays consistent. This shows how creators organize ideas into presentations. The information is grouped into logical, digestible sections. Every topic builds on the last, creating a smooth story. Headings, visuals, and icons keep viewers engaged and make complex ideas simple. Let's watch it build. Here's a creator's presentation. The ideas are grouped into logical sections. Each topic builds naturally on the one before it. Notice the headings, the icons, and visuals working together. It keeps viewers engaged. Marketing needs more than visuals. It needs a clear strategy. Watch how Gamma organizes the product overview, key features and target audience, promotional strategy and timeline, and a strong call to action. The visuals reinforce the message, and the consistent palette builds a strong brand identity. Here it is in action. Watch this marketing deck. It lays out the product and its key features, then the target audience and promotional strategy. See the campaign timeline and the call to action. The colors stay consistent. Gamma is more than presentations. It also builds modern landing pages. Watch it generate structured sections, engaging headlines, feature descriptions and testimonials, pricing, frequently asked questions, and a contact area. It follows modern design principles, guiding visitors toward action, with no code required. Now Gamma builds a website. Watch the sections appear, starting with a bold headline, then feature descriptions and customer testimonials. See the pricing section and frequently asked questions. It guides visitors. Many users never discover Gamma's most powerful features. Beyond presentations, I support AI-assisted writing, automatic layout improvements, document and website creation, theme customization, collaboration and content rewriting, and presentation refinement. Learning these helps you work far faster. Finally, the hidden features. Watch AI-assisted writing. Refine the content. See automatic layout improvements. Clean up the design. Themes change in one click, transforming the whole look. And content can be rewritten. Let's recap what you've seen. Gamma helps beginners create professional presentations, supports students with educational content, and helps businesses build investor-ready pitch decks. It powers marketing presentations, organizes creator content, and generates modern websites. Instead of designing for hours, you focus on your ideas and let AI handle the design. Thank you for watching this Gamma AI Masterclass. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to meet the AI. I'll see you in the next one.